आऊज़ु बिल्लाहि मिनश शैतानिर रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर रहमानिर रहीम Assalamu alaikum students, how are you? I hope you are doing great. I am Aisha Naseem, your mathematics teacher from Divisional Public School and Intermediate College, Model Town, Lahore. Welcome to lecture 4 of Mathematics class 2. While attending this lecture, make sure you have your stationery items with you. I hope you will be attentive throughout this lecture. This is your first term syllabus which is available on school's website. The pages written in green color have been done in previous lectures. Inshallah, we will do pages from 13 to 16 in this lecture. And pages written in blue color will be assigned to you as your home assignment, which you can solve with the help of today's lecture. But before we will start, we will do a very quick revision of our last lessons. You have learned that the objects which are less than 10 are considered as ones. And 10 blocks make one column of 10 which is equal to 110. 10 columns of 10 makes 100. I told you that the letter H, T and O are used to represent 100, tens and ones respectively. I hope you remember you have also learned to write a number in digits according to their place value, like 100, tens and ones, by using blocks and then representation of that number on abacus. Chapter 1, Numbers. Today my lesson will be about number name of 3-digit numbers. What does number name means? Number name means writing a number in words. There are so many 3-digit numbers, from 100 to 999. So what do you think? How many words do you need to learn for number names? Just learn these, and you will be able to write any 3-digit number name. Many of these words you have already learned in class 1. Let's learn how to write a 3-digit number in words. For this, we will write this number according to its place value. Now look and tell at which place 6 has written. Here 6 is written on ones place, and we know that 6 ones equals to 6. Now tell me how to write 6 in words. I hope you know the spelling of 6. S-I-X, 6. Now move on the next. Here we have 3 on tens place. 3 tens make 30, and we can write this 30 in spellings like this. 7 is on hundreds place, makes 700, and 700 can be written in words as 700. And remember, we write as we read. We write as we read. Now combine the last two numbers together like this, 36. We will read these two numbers together, 36. अब हम क्या करेंगे? इनके दरमियान में एंड लगा देंगे. जब भी हम नंबर लिखते हैं हम 100 के बाद एंड वर्ड यूज करते हैं. So the number name is 736. तो नंबर क्या बना? 736. Now we have another example in which we have 0 at ones place. हम इसको place value के according लिखेंगे. Now 0 is on ones place means 0 ones. 0 ones equals to 0, और 0 को हम words में लिखेंगे. Now 7 tens make 70. 70 को भी हम words में लिख लेंगे. Then 8 is on hundreds place. 800. 800 can be written in word as this. Now combine the last two numbers. 70, 0. But while reading and writing the number name, we skip 0. यानी हम 0 नहीं लिखते और हम इन दोनों के दरमियान में and word यूज करते हैं. So what the number name becomes? 870. 870. Now look at another example in which we have 0 is on tens place. Now writing this number according to its place value. Starting from right side. Here we have 9 is on ones place. 9 ones means 9, and 9 can be written in word as this. 0 tens. We have 0 tens here. 0 tens means 0, and we can write the 0 in words like this. Here we have again a number 9 which is on hundreds place. So we will write 900 in words like this. Now combine the last two numbers. It makes 09. But when we are writing or reading a number name, we will skip 0. And after 100, we will add and. So what the number name becomes? 909. Page number 13. What is my name? Question number 6. These big numbers have forgotten their names. Help them by writing their names in the box provided. Part C. Here we have a 3-digit number. Starting from left side, you can see 1 is on hundreds place. So we will write 100. Now we will add the word and. Now read the last two digits together. 91. So the number name becomes 191. Part H. यहाँ हमारे पास फिर से 3-digit नंबर है. लेफ्ट साइड से स्टार्ट करेंगे. 2 is on hundreds place, तो हम लिखेंगे 200 in words. फिर हम and का वर्ड यूज करेंगे. इसके बाद लास्ट 2 डिजिट्स 5 और 8 को मिलाकर पढ़ेंगे, जो कि बनेगा 58. तो नंबर नेम क्या बना इसका? 258. Page number 14. Number and number names. Question number 7. Write the number name. Part D. We can write the number name of this 3-digit number by following the previous steps. We will skip the word 0 and the number name becomes 508. 508. Now the next part, part F. यहाँ पर भी हमारे पास 3-digit number है. Can you guess the number name? It's 951. 951. Page number 14, question number 8. Now write the number. Part F. 805. Part H. 519. To figure out the number, we will write the number name according to its place value. The first number is 805. 805. Here we have 8 hundreds and 5 ones. But there are no tens, so we will write 0 on tens place. So the number becomes 805. 805. Next हमारे पास है 519. 519. तो हमारे पास यहाँ पे 5 hundreds हैं. और 19 जो है वो 2 डिजिट नंबर है 1 एंड 9। 19 किससे बनता है 1 tens and 9 ones। So we will write 1 10 9 ones। तो क्या नंबर बना 5 1 9। So here we have the final answers. Number up to 999 ordering. Here you can see some numbers are missing. First we will place the given number according to its place value. Now we will combine the last two digits of the given number, and then to find out the number which comes before, we will count backward. The number which comes before 77 is 76, and the number which comes on hundredths place will remain same. So the missing number is 476, or you can say a number which comes before 477 is 476. To find out the number which comes after 477, we will count forward. The number which comes after 77 is 78, and the numbers which comes on hundred place will remain same. So the missing number is 478, and you can also say the number which comes after 477 is 478. Page number 15, number up to 999. Ordering. Question number 1. Some numbers are missing. Fill them in. Part E. Here you can see some numbers are missing. To find out the number, we will count forward. Combine the last two digits of the number and count forward. 595, 596, 597, 598. Now the next part H. To find out the number which comes before 994, we can count backward. Combine the last two digits, which is 94. So the number which comes before 94 is 93. So the missing number will be 993. 992. To find out the number which comes after 994, we will count forward. 995, and the last missing number is 996. Page number 16, question number 2. Write the number that comes before. Here we have some questions. Do you know how to get the number which comes before? By counting backward. So the number which comes before 342 is 341. The number which comes before 861 is 860. The number which comes before 306 is 305. Now we are looking for the number which comes after. We can find the number which comes after by counting forward. So the number which comes after 129 is 130. The number which comes after 634 is 635. The number which comes after 548 is 549. Now we are going to find the number which comes between the two given numbers. We can get the number that comes between by counting backward or forward. If we count forward from 553, we will get the answer, that is 554. And if we count backward from 555, we will get the same answer. Similarly, 800 is the number which comes after 799 and comes before 801. And we can get the next answer by counting forward from 319 or by counting backward from 321. Now it's time for homework. Note down your homework, do it on your book, and keep practicing. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any question, you can ask in the comments section. Allah Hafiz.